This is the second part of 5 New Technologies for AEP 800 by Amy Aldrich. The second part, website that I chose was Khan Academy. This particular resource is something that I use for math practice problems, tutorials on specific topics, to generate worksheets for homework and so forth, and to create classes and assignments. The purpose of this website is to provide academic resources for students, step-by-step instructional videos, and plenty of practice problems that can be used in and outside of the classroom. The audience is pretty broad with this program, where students, parents, and teachers can all benefit. The IST standards for Khan Academy include the Student 1A, students apply existing knowledge to generate new ideas, products, or processes. The second is for teachers, 2C. Teachers customize and personalize learning activities to address students' diverse learning styles, working strategies, and ability to use and using digital tools and resources. So I have already created my own Khan Academy account, and I have not completed it because we are in the middle of a semester and I didn't add students. But when I went in to the site, I did go ahead and create classes. So using this checklist, I was able to create my GED Class A, GED B class, and I class. And each one of these, as you notice, has a class code specific for how the students are going to access their particular class for the assignments within these links. So you can add students to the class, and that's the tab that I'm on right now. You can add students simply by clicking on the tab and adding the student's email address and so forth, as the example shows. Go ahead and invite the students. The directions for the students and you are on the side. Notice the class code is an important feature to only allow those students who are within the class to participate. You can see what the class is that I've selected for this class is my advanced class, so it's Algebra 1. But you can select other classes for each one. Now, I have not figured out how to put more than one tab on there, so that's something part of the learning curve I'm experiencing for this program, Khan Academy. But as you can see, my classes are listed there. Now I'm going to go back to the main screen or the dashboard. And as you can see, you could try the student experience, do examples that the students would try for the various subject areas. And then, of course, they have tips. I'll click on that just so you can see the tips that they provide. Getting your classroom online, creating, getting the technology ready, and even what you would do on the first day for your students, helping you out. And here's some questionnaires, lots of support for the teacher as well as the student, and you'll see where the parent will really benefit from this as well. So at the top of this web page, you'll see the topic subjects. You're not stuck with just doing math, and that's the beauty of this program. Now, I pretty much teach math and science, and I've used this program only for math, but as I can see, there's other things I can do with it and intend to utilize this resource more prevalently in the future. I did want to show you that you can click on these tabs. As you can see, I've done a few of these, and we'll just do like Algebra Basics, for example. And once it comes up, you can see that I've done some practice questions answered some questions. It gives me the amount of progress I've done on it and lets me know where I'm at. It caters to the student's ability to answer the questions right. Another great feature of this program. So one other thing on this page I wanted to show you is the test preparation. This is great for juniors and seniors, ready, even sophomores, ready to take their SAT, MCAT, nursing. That would be great for my CNA students and so forth interested in seeing where they fall and get practice with that vocabulary. SAT is a pretty popular one in this region, so I'll go out and show this to you. They have the full length, of course, the math practice and the reading and writing practice. As you can see, there's just a ton of information and activities that students can engage in. Now, going back to the main dashboard of this program. I'm still in the learning home here. But if you don't want to do the classes per se and you just want to check it out, you can also go straight to the website and you can go to, say, Algebra 1 and just get some practice on that, or a student can, or a parent that doesn't know how to help their child out. They can go to the site, and this is what I really like. So you can go down to, say, quadratic equations. That's always a complicated one that not everybody remembers unless we practice it. You can click on that and say, I need to figure out how to solve these quadratic equations. Click on this, and right away it brings up a complete tutorial walking you step by step. Whoops, I'm sorry about that. Step by step through the pathway here to success. So I intend to use this more in my class than ever before. I have used it in the past for creating and generating worksheets, which you can go in and check out for free worksheets on that same site, because not all of my students have the ability to get on a computer at home. Speaking of home, I'm coming back to my dashboard here, but this is going to be a really utilitarian site for just about every teacher I know, and it really caters to all levels. So hope this is a useful site. Thank you.